Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore one of the most enjoyable and sustainable parts of meal planning, using seasonal and local produce. When you plan your meals around what's in season, you get fresher, more flavorful ingredients while supporting your local community and saving money. Let's start with why seasonal eating matters. Fruits and vegetables are at their peak when they're in season. That means they're richer in nutrients, taste better, and often cost less because they don't have to travel long distances to reach your plate. Step 1. Learn what's in season in your region. Each season offers different fruits and vegetables, so your meal plans can naturally evolve throughout the year. For example, spring brings leafy greens, asparagus, and strawberries. Summer is full of tomatoes, berries, and zucchini. Fall offers pumpkins, apples, and sweet potatoes, while winter shines with citrus, kale, and root vegetables. Many grocery stores and local markets post seasonal charts, or you can find them online based on your area. Step 2. Shop local when possible. Farmers markets, produce stands, and community-supported agriculture programs, also called CSAs, are great sources for fresh local produce. Buying directly from local farmers means your food is fresher and often harvested just days before you buy it. Step 3. Plan your meals around what's available. Instead of picking recipes first, start with the seasonal ingredients you find. For example, if you find a great deal on tomatoes and basil in summer, make pasta dishes, salads, and sauces that highlight those flavors. This approach keeps your meals creative and budget-friendly. Step 4. Buy in bulk when prices are low. When seasonal produce is at its peak, it's often cheapest. Stock up and freeze, can, or dry your extras. Berries, peas, and chopped vegetables freeze beautifully, and they'll give you a taste of summer even in the colder months. Step 5. Embrace variety. Eating seasonally ensures you naturally rotate nutrients throughout the year. Different colors and textures bring a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to your diet. Step 6. Get inspired by local food traditions. Many traditional cuisines are built around seasonal eating: soups and stews in winter, fresh salads in summer. Try recreating regional dishes based on what's available locally. Step 7. Mix local with global. While eating locally is ideal, it's perfectly fine to include some non-local staples like bananas, avocados, or spices. The goal isn't perfection, it's balance and mindfulness. Step 8. Store your produce properly. To make the most of seasonal buys, know how to keep them fresh. For example, leafy greens last longer when washed, dried, and stored in a breathable bag with a paper towel. Root vegetables should be kept in a cool, dark place, while berries should stay dry until you're ready to eat them. Step 9. Connect with your community. Visiting farmers markets isn't just about shopping, it's about learning. Ask growers for cooking tips or recipe ideas. They often know the best ways to prepare their produce. Step 10. Plan ahead for each season. As the year changes, create a simple rotation guide. For example, plan light, fresh meals in summer, and heartier, warm dishes in winter. This not only keeps your meals interesting, but also aligns your eating with your body's natural rhythm. Here's your quick recap. Know what's in season, shop local, plan meals around available produce, store it properly, and enjoy the natural variety each season brings. Eating with the seasons keeps your meals vibrant, sustainable, and full of flavor. In the next lesson, we'll move into smart cooking strategies, learning how to combine flavors and cook techniques to make every meal exciting. Let's get inspired by what nature has to offer.